little learners. Welcome to Bright Kids Learning TV. Today, we are going to learn a special phonics sound. The sound is O. 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 O makes the sound oo. We will read some fun words with the O sound together, and we will make the oo sound. Are you ready, little learners? Let's start learning. Little learners, let's sound it out. M says mmm. Oo says ooh. N says n. M, oo, n. Moon. Can you say moon? The moon shines in the night sky. Little learners, let's sound it out. B says b. Oo says ooh. K says k. B, oo, k. Book. Can you say book? We read a book to learn new things. Little learners, let's sound it out. C says k. Oo says ooh. K says k. K, oo, k. Cook. Can you say cook? A cook makes yummy food. Little learners, let's sound it out. L says ooh. Oo says ooh. K says k. Ooh, k. Look. Can you say look? Look. What do you see? Little learners, let's sound it out. F says f. Oo says ooh. T says t. F, oo, t. Foot. Can you say foot? We walk and run with our feet. Little learners, let's sound it out. P says p. Oo says ooh. L says l. P, oo, l. Pool. Can you say pool? We swim in a pool. Little learners, let's sound it out. B says b. Oo says ooh. T says t. B, oo, t. Boot. Can you say boot? Boots keep our feet dry in the rain. Little learners, let's sound it out. D says d. Oo says ooh. R says r. D, oo, r. Door. Can you say door? We open the door to go inside. Little learners, let's sound it out. Z says z. Oo says ooh. M says mm. Z, oo, mm. Zoom. Can you say zoom. A rocket zooms into space. Little learners, let's sound it out. R says Oo says ooh. M says Ooh, room. Can you say room? We play and learn in a room. Little learners, let's sound it out. W says w. Oo says ooh. D says d. W. Oo, d. Wood. Can you say wood? Trees give us wood. Little learners, let's sound it out. H says oo says ooh. T says t. Ooh, t. Hoot. Can you say hoot? An owl says hoot at night. Little learners, let's sound it out. B says b. Oo says ooh. M says b. Ooh, boom. Can you say boom? Boom. A firework pops in the sky. Little learners, let's sound it out. L says ooh. Oo says ooh. M says Lo, oo, loom. Can you say loom? A loom makes cloth from thread. Little learners, let's sound it out. T says t. Oo says ooh. L says t. Oo, tool. Can you say tool? A tool helps us build things. Little learners, let's sound it out. C says k. Oo says ooh. L says ooh. K, ooh, oh. Cool. Can you say cool? The breeze feels cool on a sunny day. Little learners, let's sound it out. P says p. Oo says ooh. R says P. Ooh, pour. Can you say pour? The little kitten looks poor and hungry. Little learners, let's sound it out. R says Oo says ooh. T says t. Ooh, t. Root. Can you say root? Roots grow under the ground. Little learners, let's sound it out. H says oo says ooh. P says p. Ooh, p. Hoop. Can you say hoop? Let's throw the ball in the hoop. Little learners, let's sound it out. L says L. Oo says ooh. P says p. L, oo, p. Loop. Can you say loop? The roller coaster goes in a big loop. Little learners, let's sound it out. S says S. Oo says ooh. N says n. S, oo, n. Soon. Can you say soon? We will play again soon. Little learners, let's sound it out. N says n. Oo says ooh. N says n. N, oo, n. Noon. Can you say noon? Noon is the middle of the day. Little learners, let's sound it out. R says Oo says ooh. F says f. Ooh, f. Roof. Can you say roof? The roof covers the house. Little learners, let's sound it out. B says b. Oo says ooh. N says n. B, oo, n. Boon. Can you say boon? A boon is something very helpful. Little learners, let's sound it out. P says p. Oo says ooh. D says d. P, oo, d. Pooed. Can you say pooed? Let's say the oo sound again. Ooh. Little learners, let's sound it out. F says f. Oo says ooh. D says d. F, oo, d. Food. Can you say food? Food gives us energy to play. Great job today, little learners. Today we learned the oo phonics sound. You read so many amazing oo words. Keep practicing and come back to Bright Kids Learning TV for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.